whatever is little.
Pecking at that.
Yeah.
Start turning. Do a circle. I think something's taking that one. Here, let me pull that one in.
Not real big, but he's something. Not fighting or rolling or anything.
Probably a channel then, maybe.
Yeah. Doing the usual. There he is. Not real big, but he's something.
That's a blue.
Yeah, maybe he's foul headed or something. Not real big, but. Find it. Yeah, he's in the corner of the mouth there.
Need a hole here. There you go. Fight a little bit more. Quit spinning. He's talking to you.
I didn't weigh it.
That's all right. How long is it?
I thought it was caught in the head here.
Well, don't worry about it. It looks like it's about maybe about 28 inches or so. Twenty-four inches. So that's maybe about 5 pounds. Here we go. Got one.
Maybe.
It's still on there.
Back there. See if you need it. It's coming up pretty easy. Yeah, he's not the same size.
He's little. I think I can land him without.
Without just pull him out. You want the little other rod out of the way, or
I think it'll be fine. Oh, that's a channel.
channel cat anyway? I didn't see him.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Oh, you
No,
sure?
it is.
Yeah, it's a blue. Isn't it?
No, I don't know. It looks yellow to me.
It did a little bit greenish yellow.
Come over here. Yeah, that's a channel. It's just a fat little thing.
You want a glove?
I got it. Yeah. little channel. That's it for now. See you later.